Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the properties of intersecting chord. So the statement is if two chords of a circle intersect internally, then the product of lengths of their segments is equal. In order to prove that, the given statement is that chord AB and CD of a circle intersect each other internally at point P as given in the figure, and we have to prove that PA into PB equals to PC into PD. Now to prove that, we are going to join AC and BD, and then we'll be taking triangle APC and BPD and we'll be proving these two triangles as similar. To prove these two triangles as similar, as we can see here, angle D and angle A are equal as they are angle in the same segment, and we can see angle APC equals to angle BPD, which are vertically opposite angles. So we can say that triangle APC is similar to triangle DPB. Since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. So we can say that PA upon PD equals to PC upon PB. Now on cross multiplying it, we'll get PA into PB equals to PC into PD. And that's how we can prove this theorem. Thank you.